I'm Sharpei, your loyal companion for smart business solutions. Today, I'm here to make subscriptions and leasing super simple. Ready? Let's go. Next up, pricing. You decide how much profit you want to earn each period of time. Just make sure the total price for the lease doesn't go over the product's actual cost. Easy math. Let's break it down with some simple math. Imagine your laptop costs $500 and you want to earn $35 per month from the subscription. That means you'd set the earning percentage to 7%. Why? Because $35 is 7% of $500. Easy peasy. With Sharpei, you're not just making money, you're also helping the planet by giving products a longer life. Smart for business, great for the earth. Ready to set up your selling plans and start winning at subscriptions? Let's make it happen together.